Thank you for allowing us to be here tonight, and the audience for listening. My entree into the gubernatorial activity is a very humble one. I didn't plan to do this, as many of you all know, but frankly, I felt that the Democratic body from which I hail is off message. And I believe that most Pennsylvanians believe what I believe. They're not so much concerned about whether you're Democrat or Republican. They frankly don't care whether you're from Philadelphia or Lackawanna County or Pike County. What they want to hear is about what they're most fearful of. They're fearful that their job will no longer be here. They're concerned that job growth is a word that comes out of a politician's mouth with not much substance or plan behind it. They're concerned about their school system, which is not competitive. While there are certainly some great schools in Pennsylvania, there are too many failing systems. And too many young people are graduating, or theoretically graduating from schools with no real job prospects at the end of it, let alone a college degree in front of them. They want accountability for the millions and billions of dollars which we're spending every year. They want a Democrat who says, finally, for the first time, before I start spending your money, I talk about how I control your money, how I become accountable in that process. And finally, most importantly, hallelujah, the time is here to talk about property reduction. People are concerned about how they hold on to their homes. Seniors are sitting there fearful that for the thing, the pride and joy that they've worked for generations, they will lose because they will be taxed out of it. So there are three basic principles to my campaign. Job, generational jobs. An economy which works, which is changing. School choice, competition. If a school building at the end of your block works, a magnet school works, a charter school works, great, but you should no longer be controlled by a system, a monopoly, that if it's failing, your child is required to go to it. You should control the fate of your child. And ultimately, the curriculum should be designed with the core principles of the economy of this state. You can no longer empower anyone to control millions of dollars without considering where they're going to be delivered. And finally, with the millions of dollars that we're going to save, because we're no longer overpopulating prisons, we're no longer paying out for pensions we can't afford, we're going to take those millions of dollars, and we're going to regionalize government, by the way. We're going to deliver those millions of dollars back to you to reduce property tax.